If you're looking for a way to make over $500 per day with affiliate marketing with just copy and paste, then make sure to watch this video till end. So for this method, we're going to use Digistore24 to get affiliate marketing commissions, and also we're going to do it with free traffic. So make sure to watch this video till end because I'm going to explain you guys everything. So first of all, if you don't know what is Digistore24, this is the website that I'm showing you guys. So basically, this is affiliate marketing network where you can go and select different products to promote them for huge commissions. So once you get sales through your affiliate link, you're going to get paid by Digistore24. Now, if you don't know how you can go and sign up for Digistore24, it is 100% free. You can go and click on sign up button right here. You can see start now. It is free to sign up, or you can go on register now button. It doesn't matter where you click it. So we're going to, for example, click on register now button right here. So make sure to enter everything correctly, because once you enter your data, once you get your affiliate marketing commissions, you're going to get paid. Now, if you enter something wrong, if you didn't enter something correctly, you're going to get problems with your payments. So make sure to enter everything correctly. And also, I think that Digistore24 is worldwide, so you can go and sign up from anywhere in the world and start making affiliate marketing commissions. So first thing, once you sign up for Digistore24, what you want to do is you want to go and click on affiliate marketplace. Now right here you can see marketplace, make sure to click on that. On the left you can choose different categories, and right here you can go and choose if you want to sort the products by sales rank. So basically sales rank means how many sales they're getting, for example, per day or per month. So the product that is most popular with most sales per month, for example, is this product right here. Now this is some weight loss product, and you can also click right here and change the currency. So if you want to see in US dollars, make sure to select that, and you're going to see all of your affiliate marketing commissions that you're going to earn in US dollars. Now right here you can see if you sell this product, you're going to get $132.46, and your affiliate marketing commission is 85%. Now why I love affiliate marketing is because you can find these high paying products. You can see with huge commissions, just like this, 85% commission. So for example, if this product costs $100, you're going to keep $85, which is really great. Now there are some products that are paying more, sometimes some of the different products pay less. So for example, this product pays only 10% commission, this one has paid 50%. So it really depends on which product you're promoting. Now you can also sort the products by, for example, earning per sale. Now if you go and select that, you're going to see the products that are paying the most for each sale. Now they're paying 50% commission, and that 50% is $469. That means that this product costs over, so I think around $997, something like that. So if you go and sell this product for affiliate marketing commission, you're going to earn $469. Now I want to show you guys where we can go and promote this product, because I want to share with you guys some gold mine, because there is some new social media that not a lot of people know about. Now it is called Gab, and I want to show you guys how you can go and use this platform to get affiliate marketing commissions. Now I want to show you guys how popular this social media is getting. So if you go on a similar web, and if you go and search how many visitors they're getting per month, you can see just a few months ago this website was getting 3 million views, 4 million views per month. But right now you can see they're getting, in January, they've got 50 million people on their website in January. That is really crazy. And you can see there is a little bit of drop in February, basically 27 million, but still that is really a lot of people that can buy your product that you're trying to promote. So crazy amounts of people on this social media. Now there is also really important thing is you can see the countries. So about 64% of the traffic is coming from United States. Now that is really important for us, these first three countries, that is really important for us because usually these are the countries that are probably going to buy your product. So United States 64%, Canada 6%, United Kingdom 4.4%, and that is really great because, as I said, you're going to promote to these people and they're probably going to buy what you have to offer. Now let's talk about how you can go and sign up for this website. Now, if you go on gab.com and you click on sign up button, you're going to enter your username, email address, password, and make sure to enter correctly the tags that they're getting so you can confirm that you're not a robot. Now, once you click on sign up button, you're going to get emailed on your email address, and you're going to confirm that you're a real person and that is your email address. Now, once you're done with that, you can go and now post. Now, if you go and search, you can see right here on the left, you can search for groups, for example. So what are we going to do is we're going to click on groups right here, and you can go and, for example, search for featured groups. So this is really important for us because we can go and see what is popular on this website. So you can find a product that is related to these people and offer them the product to buy, and once they buy the product, you're going to earn affiliate marketing commission. Now, for example, you can see some of the products, and for example, if you click on cooking, that could be something related, for example, to weight loss. Now, there is over 69,000 members in this group, so you can go and promote, for example, some recipes or something like that. You can also go, for example, and search for a diet or some recipes or something like that. So right here we can see there are the products. You can see green products, so you can promote something like that, or you can go and search, for example, food and drinks right here. So click on that, and you can see there are 7 products that you can promote in this niche. So if you go and promote this product and they buy these recipes, you're going to earn $3.50. Now, if, for example, 1,000 people buy this product, you're going to earn $3,500. Now, what I really suggest you guys to do is to find some high ticket offers, because you don't need 1,000 people to buy this cheap product. If you, for example, sell a $300 or $500 product and you earn that commission, you're going to earn that only from 7 sales. So if you promote the product that is going to pay you guys, for example, $500 per sale, and only 7 people buy the product, you're going to earn $3,500. But if you want to make $3,500 from this product, you need to get 1,000 sales. So you can see why it is much easier to get only 7 sales for expensive products than a lot of sales for cheap products. So what you can do is you can go and click on search bar right here and search for the product that is going to pay you guys huge commissions. So for example, this cryptocurrency product can pay you $389. Now, if you get, for example, 10 sales for this product, you're going to earn $3,890. Now, let's talk about, for example, how you can go and promote this product. Now, cryptocurrency, that is something related to business. So you want to find some business groups. You don't want to go and jump in, for example, cooking groups and promote the business products. So you can, for example, search for some business products. You can see right here, businesses of Gab. So you can go and click on that group. You can join this group by clicking on join button right here, and you can go and start posting. So you can go and just right here post anything you want in this business group. Now people are posting some business advice or something like that in this group, and what you can do is you can go and take your affiliate link by clicking promote, and you can also click on sales page right here, so you can see how this website looks like. So basically they need to put their email address and name, and they need to click on masterclass access, and once they're in, they're going to watch some webinar or something like that, and if they buy the product, you're going to earn almost $400. Now I want to show you guys how you can promote this, because you don't want to go and direct link straight to your product. Now there are a few ways that you can promote this product. We can go and create a lead page, or also we can create a landing page. Now for that we can use ConvertKit. Now if you go on ConvertKit website, you can go and start out for free. You have this sign up button for free, and if you go and click on pricing, you're going to see that you can get free access to ConvertKit when you get up to 1,000 subscribers. Now this is really important for us because if you get 1,000 people that are interested in the product that you're trying to promote, you can go and promote some other products and earn also affiliate commissions on that. So that is really important for us to collect leads with our business. Now for up to 1,000 subscribers on your list, you're going to get $0 per month. But once you start growing, you actually need to pay some money. So we're going to start with $0 because we probably don't have any money to invest. So what are we going to do is we're going to click on sign up button right here. And once you start up with your ConvertKit, you're going to see a page like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on a landing page and forms right here. So we're going to click on that and we can go and create our landing page. Now they're going to give you guys a way to create form or landing page. We're going to click on landing page and they're going to give you guys a few options. So we need to collect these leads. Now you can go and use any of these because they're also already tested and they're really amazing. So you can go and start, for example, with this first one. So you can go and click on choose, and what we're going to do is we need to put on subscribe button right here, we need to put our affiliate link. So you can go and do that. And how you can go and get your affiliate link, it is really simple. Just go on Digistore, and I'm not right now logged in, but once you click on promote button, you're going to get your affiliate link for this product. Now what are we going to do now is we need to go on ConvertKit and enter Now what I really love about ConvertKit is because you can go and customize any of this. You can go and, for example, change the text. You don't need to write subscribe. You can go and change the text right here. You can, for example, put whatever you want. You can also change, if you don't want to say email address, you can write whatever you want right here. So when someone clicks right here, they enter their email address and they click on subscribe, you're going to send them to your affiliate link. Now, how you can go and put affiliate link in the subscribe button, you can go and click right here on settings, and you can go and click on general, and you can go on show a success message. So we are not going to do that. Once they enter their email address and we collect their email address, we want them to go on our affiliate link. So we can go again get our affiliate link by clicking right here promote button. We're going to get affiliate link, and we're going to come back and paste our affiliate link right here. So when you go and click on save, and we go save and publish, we have now created our landing page. Now what is also really important, you need to change this text. I'm not going to do that right now, but just go click on that, change, put whatever text you want to, it doesn't really matter. So make sure to enter something that is related to the content that you're trying to post. Now I want to show you guys the test, how this works and how this looks like. So I can go on preview, and I'm going to put some random email address right here, and I'm going to click on subscribe. So once you go and click on subscribe, you're going to send your customer to your affiliate link. Now they're again going to ask for email and name, and once they go on this masterclass, they buy the product, you're going to earn affiliate commission. Now what are we going to do is we're going to take our landing page that we have created. So we want to go and copy the link of your landing page. You don't want to copy this one, but you want to go and copy your landing page link. And what you want to do is you want to go on this Gab group, and you want to say if you're looking for a way to invest your money, you can check out this. And I don't want to write a lot of text, but you need a little bit more text explaining what is this product, what is cryptocurrency. You can do your own research. You're not going to talk about cryptocurrency right here because that is the job of our product owners. So they're going to teach about cryptocurrency, but you need to go, for example, how you need to copy, for example, this one, this text. You can go and copy that and you can paste it right here. And once you're done, you can go and click on post. Now, once you post your text, they can now go and check out what you have to offer, what are you talking about, and when they click on this link that you have created for your landing page, you're going to send them, as I show you guys, to ConvertKit. That looks, again, I'm going to click on preview to show you guys how this works. Now you're going to send them here, they're going to enter their email address, click on subscribe, you're going to collect their email to contact them for future offers, and you're also going to send them to the landing page for this product. Now, if they buy the product, you're going to earn, as I show you guys, around $400. You can see $389 per sale. So that is basically how affiliate marketing works. Now guys, if this is something that you're interested in, if you want to learn more about how to make money with affiliate marketing, make sure to press that subscribe button. And also, if you found this video helpful for you beginners, then make sure to press that like button. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon and bye.